This is one of the most common things people ask ChatGPT. And look at this. It's not bad, but it's very generic. So, why does this happen? This is how most people use it. One short line, no context. And AI has no idea what kind of diet you actually need. Now I'm going to fix this by adding three things: who it's for, what the goal is, and some constraints. And now look at the difference. This is actually useful. This sounds okay, but it's actually meaningless. What kind of context? For who? How long? Now I'm adding intent. I'm telling AI exactly what I want. And now the answer is clear and focused. This is a very open question, so you will get random answers. But once you give context, you control what AI responds with. Now it's structured and relevant. So, how do you fix all of this? Here is a simple formula I use. First, tell AI what to do. Second, give context. Third, add constraints. And finally, tell it how to format the answer. One structure fixes most prompting problems. Let me show you this in action. First, very vague. Better, but still broad. Now I'm using full framework: instruction, context, constraints, and output format. And this is where AI becomes actually useful. So next time ChatGPT gives you a bad answer, don't blame AI. Fix your prompt.